So these are the central questions for section 3.3. So you should know what the measures of center are that we've had: mean, median, and mode, and measures of spread, standard deviation, interquartile range or IQR, range, variance, those sort of things. The question is, when you translate data, what is the impact on the measure of centers? In other words, do they change? Do they stay the same? What happens? The same thing for when you translate data. What's the impact on the measures of spread? Are things invariant? What happens? Okay, so I have an illustration to help you think about those things. And that's this. So I have this data set down here. That's our original data set. I've marked the median with a circle like that, and that's the median there. So now this little control here will add whatever number is up for V1 to every element in the data set. So if I move this thing to say here, I've added 3 to all the numbers in the data set. So look at that set and try to decide. So now have the things that we're calling centers, has that changed or not? Okay. Does the data set look any more spread out or less spread out from the center or whatever? Has that changed? So as I add those things all the way out, and I've added 10, or if I went down here, I will have subtracted 5 from each of those points. The question is, are the centers still the same? Are they different? What's going on there? So that's the kind of thing that you have to answer right now. Did the centers change when we added the same number to everything? Did the measures of spread change? Okay. Don't know how you're thinking about this, but that's one way to think about this. If we go back to the software again, and if we go to the scores that we had here, this is my translated scores. There's another set there. So this is the original kind of information. You know, there's the mean, there's the mean. They're all the same. Okay, so let's go back in here and change something. Like, let's add 10 to each of those things and go back and look at the mean. Original mean, new mean. What's the difference? Oh, that's 10 bigger. Okay, original standard deviation, new standard deviation. It's the same. Well, that should make sense because we haven't spread the points any farther out from the center. Original median, new median. Okay, you can figure out the stuff about the ranges. Going to be the same thing. So conceptually, I hope this helps you understand. I'll post another video to do a couple of problems to help you think about that. So this is the concept video. The other one is the work video.